Your support means the world to us. We're gonna fight for you guys and always go Bulls.
It is Sunday, October 23rd, and I am so tired. We just got off the highway from Chicago. Now I have to drive to my event, which is about an hour away. So I'm picking up a friend of mine. She's the one that actually told me about the event. And so I just left Office Depot to get some of my labels printed for a friend of mine, because I do custom candles. Base their picture on it with the, of course, the Selfish Sense emblem and the notes of the candle. And then I also put a little saying love is friendship on fire. I just think that's so cute. And then I put a QR scan code on the back of the candle, because they're going, like I said, they're going on their honeymoon. And so all they have to do is scan the QR code, and it actually plays a YouTube playlist. So I did it for another one of my girlfriends, and so she wanted one too for her vacation. So, and then on the back of the QR scan code, let me show you, it says scan my YouTube's playlist and let the sparks fly. So this is literally what goes on the back of the candle. And so when she puts her QR code up to it, the sparks will fly. Notes on this candle is ambergris and saffron, and it's just such a unisex scent. It smells really, really good. It is a dupe to the Baccarat 540. If you're familiar with that fragrance, I love that fragrance. So the date night candle is that fragrance. So I'll check in with you guys in a second when I get started making dinner. So I just got finished cooking. Well, I'm almost done cooking. I made macaroni. I did the box macaroni, child. I didn't feel like all that extra. I just doctored up that box macaroni, added some butter and some real cheddar cheese, called it a wrap, green beans, and of course the meatloaf. my plate. I have not tasted it. I did taste the green beans. We never eat dinner this late. It's like 7:30. But I'm too tired. I am too child. I'm tired. Too tired to make candles tonight. So we will reconvene tomorrow. So before I made the candle, I needed to make the Vanilla Girl body butter. So here I'm just adding in the fragrance oil. In the fall, I love the scent of sweet vanilla, especially vanilla bean has a warm, inviting fragrance, and especially the citrus in this candle. It is pure perfection. So I'm on my way to my hometown. It is the last day of the vlog. It's Saturday, and I'm headed home for our annual trunk or treat. My niece has this big trunk or treat for all the kids and my immediate family. So I'm on my way to pick my granddaughter up and my daughter. Oh, he looks so crazy. And then we're gonna head to Springfield. We have decided that we're gonna go as the Proud family. So of course I'm going to be the grandma, and we're trying to convince my granddaughter to be um, the ugly twins or whatever, but I don't think she's going. She was like, everybody is gonna laugh at me. It was the cutest thing ever. But yeah, so I'm gonna share with you guys my crazy family, my sisters. My older sister, she goes all out with the Halloween costume. We're supposed to have a haunted house, the whole nine. So I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can to share with you all. But yeah, this is my first vlog, so I need for you guys to just sit back, relax, and enjoy. And I like doing vlogs, but I need you guys to comment and let me know if you guys like this type of content.
Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat for Halloween.